going to turn the lights.
And with virtually no hesitation whatsoever, final approach has been initiated, that being confirmed by the visiting vehicle officer at Mission Control in Houston. The Soyuz now begins the final glacial approach for contact and capture to the Rassvet module.
Everything is on and the headlights are on.
Причал.
Страница 66. Page 66.
Формат движения. Мы подготавливаем курсор. Переводим в сторону клавиши зависания. Мы не выдаем команду. Понятно, все
Sending command. Okay, we understand and we did it all.
Еще раз.
Say it again.
Увеличиваем картинку. Принято.
Enlarged image copy. TV enlarged. Confirmed.
Да.
Did you arm the command? Yes. 130 meters, 0.68 and closing.
You heard that call, just 130 meters now separating the Soyuz from the Rassvet module. That module serving as a docking port attached to the Earth-facing side of the Zarya module, the FGB, if you will, in the space station nomenclature. The first element of the International Space Station launched on November 20th, 1998, atop a Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. Recently, that Zarya module passed its 70,000th orbit of the Earth since its launch back in late 1998, equivalent to the distance between the Earth and Neptune.
Target is below and slightly to the left.
Кресты собраны.
Crosshairs aligned.
Практически в центре.
Practically in the center.
Визуально метр 90.
Visually, we would evaluate as about 90 meters, predicted 90 meters and 0.46 in closing.
Итак, визуально.
Visually.
Стыковочный узел.
Docking port of MRM-1. One cell, 70 meters, currently 77, based on course data, which is normal. Range rate 0.36 and closing. I can set the target. Everything is clear.
Периодически есть работа ДПО.
The periodic firing of depot confirmed.
Идем стабильно.
Motion is stable.
Дальность
Range.
We should be reacquiring a telesignal from the Soyuz over Russian ground stations momentarily, but you're continuing to hear Russian flight controllers and Romanenko through interpreters calling out the progression of approach calls. At about 50 meters, the Core's automated rendezvous antenna on the Soyuz will be retracted as planned, and that is the final major milestone before the automated progress of the Soyuz vehicle results in a contact and capture at a rate of about 1/10 of a meter per second.
Range.
Прошли 60 метров.
Cross 60 meters. Range rate is 0.22. Copy. I am ready.
Хорошо.
Motion is stable.
Четко стоит.
Target is slightly to the left and above by half degree.
50 метров.
Crossing 50 meters.
0,18.
0.18 and closing.
15 на сближение.
We are some break and burn. Motion is stable.
Итак, ожидаем закрытия антенн.
Standing by for antenna closing.
Очень красиво, близко.
Beautiful.
And you see just to the left of the crosshairs, that is the Rassvet module docking port. In the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you can see the range and rate of closure, currently 46 meters separating the Soyuz from Rassvet, closing at a rate of About 1/10 of a meter per second.
Крис, выбери линейку СВП.
Chris, select this SVP ruler.
Да.
Copy.
Где? Не надо, все.
No.
У тебя зависание.
Scratch it. We're in station keeping.
Продолжаем.
Proceed.
Итак, 1,5 прошли
We
стыковочный узел.
passed 1.5.
Visiting vehicle officer reports the docking mechanism has been powered up.
0.10.
Very shortly, all thrusters on the International Space Station on the Russian segment will be disabled. The station will be placed into free drift to prevent any inadvertent jet thruster firings that would perturbate the contact and capture between the Soyuz and the Rassvet module, enabling the relative motion of the two vehicles to stabilize and calm down, basically dampen out before the retraction of the forward docking probe on the Soyuz spacecraft.
From the top and left at about 45 degrees. The target is getting closer to the center.
2,5 клетки.
2.5 cells, that's for the diameter of the docking port. 27-26 meters range.
Да, вот сейчас.
Okay, right. 2.5 right now. Target is slightly above, about half cell. Crosshairs aligned.
Визуальная скорость в норме.
Visually, the rate is normal. The target is...
At an altitude of 255 statute miles, the Soyuz flying over the southern portion of Russia near the northwest border with Kazakhstan, a few thousand kilometers north of the launch site at the Baikonur Cosmodrome.
Итак, 3 клетки.
3 cells.
Узел ровно. 20 метров.
Docking port aligned, 20 meters. Target is practically in the center. About half cell below. 3.5 cells is the diameter of the docking port. About 16 to 17 meters is the range. Range 17 meters.
Скорость в норме.
Range rate is normal.
Наблюдаю без
Have visual of the docking port.
посторонних каких-то вещей. Все выглядит штатно.
Nothing foreign there. Everything looks nominal. Crosshairs pretty much aligned in the center.
4 клетки.
Visually, docking port diameter is 4 cells. Range is 14.
Прошли одну клетку по мишени.
Crossed past 1 cell relative to the target.
Мишень проверена.
The automated docking system of the Soyuz spacecraft aligning the forward docking probe with the docking target that you see just about at the crosshairs of this view from the Soyuz television camera on the Rassvet module on the Earth-facing port of the International Space Station's Russian segment. Everything continuing to go smoothly.
Так, посторонних предметов не наблюдаю.
No foreign objects on the docking port. Back, the
Итак, подходим.
computer crosshair on vehicle is also in the center.
Дальность порядка.
Range about 8 to 7 meters. Range rate is normal.
Небольшой.
There is
Не знаю, может быть.
slight misalignment. Okay, we're back. The rope has been trimmed.
Perfect alignment now between the Soyuz and the Rassvet module. Just 7 meters separating the two vehicles as we stand by for contact and capture.
Okay, we're in focus.
Так, мишень уходит чуть
The target slides a little bit to the right, about half so.
Скорость в норме.
Range rate is normal.
Итак, мишень собрана, кресты, все.
Target is aligned with crosshairs. Everything is normal.
Скорость тоже.
Range rate is perfect. Standing by for contact.
Секундомер готов.
Is timer ready? Getting ready. Everything's fine. Half a meter.
Затеняется мишень.
Target is shadowed. Contact confirmed.
Contact and capture. Docking confirmed over northern Kazakhstan at 8:09 a.m. Central Time, 6:09 p.m. Moscow time, near the capital of Astana, the capital of Kazakhstan. Docking confirmed. The Soyuz sleigh has pulled into port of the International Space Station with a holiday gift of 3 new crew members.
Stand by.
And the forward docking probe already retracting. A picture-perfect rendezvous, approach and docking for the Soyuz spacecraft. The International Space Station soon to have its population doubled.
R7, выдаю.
R7.